Hey beautiful people, today I'm doing a twist out using the Shea Moisture Bond Repair Leave-In Conditioner while we have a little chat about my latest adventures and some scalp drama. If you haven't seen my last video where I tested the Shea Moisture Bond Repair system, be sure to go and check it out. I got this gorgeous shiny wash and go using the system with the Eco Styler gel. I allowed my hair to air dry while I ran some errands. Last week was a busy week for me because my aunt and my goddaughter were visiting. With everything going on, I wasn't feeling up to cooking much. Just juggling life, business, personal life can be a bit much. However, we push on. First up, monthly grocery shopping. Cooking has always been a part of my self-care routine, and I learned the importance of eating healthy from a very tender age. My diet is high in protein, veggies, complex carbs, and I avoid sugary drinks and processed food. I enjoy making homemade drinks, especially when I get fruits from my dad, because have you seen the prices in the supermercado? They're crazy, girl. They're crazy out here. No shopping list necessary. I just stick to the categories and stay within budget. For my aunts, I'm planning a seafood boil. I am obsessed with seafood. I think I might have been a dolphin in another life. Plus, it's summertime, and anything that takes more than 30 minutes to prepare is a no-go. Okay? It's just too hot for that. Rainforest Seafood is having a sale on sliced fish, whole fish, and a whole bag of things. Shrimp included. I will tell you, a whole bag of things. Okay? I also snagged a berry mix because the girl has been hitting the gym hard. By the time I got home, my hair was about 80% dry because outside was 100% hot. My aunt was set to arrive about 10 p.m. so I had just enough time to whip up that seafood boil. I preserved my hair with a quick pineapple ponytail overnight, and the following day my goddaughter and I went to the beach. I tried my best to avoid wetting my hair. I got the back out a little bit wet with some salt water, but nothing that we could manage. This brings me to my point. Am I causing my scalp issues? This style held up for 3 days, but by day 4, my hair was looking a bit grayish and the curls weren't as defined. I tried adding some bond repair oil from Shea Moisture, but it didn't make much of a difference. The oil was lightweight and just okay, so I ended up having to rewash my hair and did a quick cornrow style. Yes, I washed my hair twice for that week and didn't oil my scalp even once. I've definitely been slacking on my scalp care routine, which explains the ongoing issues. But I'm getting back on track ASAP. But I'll be using the Bond Repair Deep Conditioner, so stay tuned for that review. Needless to say, my scalp care routine is back in full swing. Remember, shampooing not only removes dirt, but also moisture from the scalp. So, oiling is crucial to prevent dryness and flakiness. So let's try that and see how it goes. We have made it to the end of another video. I don't know, we have to clap ourselves. If you found this helpful or enjoy hanging out with me, hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up. Until next time, Take care, stay fabulous. This was a fail, by the way.